Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Eros puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Eros puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Babinga and Cherry. Difficulty level of the Eros puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame. As always, Dr. Volker Latusek pays a lot of attention not only to the solution of the puzzle but also to its appearance. As you can see, it is not so easy even to remove the parts from the frame. You have to solve kind of a little puzzle, and then when all parts are out, you will find that there are 4 parts that look like a square and 2 parts that have a heart shape. This puzzle is very similar to another iconic puzzle from Dr. Volker Latusek, which is called Casino, where you have a similar frame, also 6 parts, and you have to fit all of them inside. This one is a little bit different since in Casino puzzle we had round parts. This one has a square shape with round corners and 2 hearts. This puzzle was actually designed by Dr. Volker Latusek as a wedding gift to his elder brother. And the solution of this puzzle is not the same as Casino puzzle. So you can expect something new, something interesting from Volker Latusek as always. And it will be quite a challenge to fit everything inside the frame. If you're a fan of Dr. Volker Latusek and you solved a lot of his Euclid puzzles or Casino puzzle or any other puzzles with intricate moves, it will be not the extreme challenge for you, but still it will be quite a challenge to figure out the solution. But if you are a new puzzler and you never solved any of the puzzles from Dr. Volker Latusek, it will be just a nightmare to figure out the correct way how to stick parts inside, since this is not the solution. The parts are above the frame and you have to fit all of them inside so that none of the parts will be above the 2 lips of the frame. So it will be quite a challenge to find the correct solution, and at the first glance it might look even impossible to solve. So it is a highly recommended puzzle. All puzzles by Dr. Volker Latusek are amazing, and usually they are sold out very quickly as soon as they appear at puzzle shops. So if it is still available at Puzzle Master, it's better buy it right now and don't waste time thinking twice if you have to buy it or no. If you like the Eros puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.